got to the airport, and now we wait and hope that no one makes me move. Joey should be coming out in a couple minutes, and then in about an hour and a half, we're gonna pick up Devin and her boyfriend Christian. They were so cool. They got on a bus from Seattle to come spend 4th of July with us, and I'm so excited.
Yay. Just reading my book on the airplane.
Bag secured. Oh, love it. As soon as we had everyone in the car, we started exploring different parts of Portland, including the Redwood Trail and the Hawthorne neighborhood. Portland has some quirky little shops. They're really fun and kind of remind me of Austin. When we left Hawthorne, we hopped into the car and started driving toward the Columbia River Gorge. There are numerous waterfalls all along the road, and you can stop and go for short hikes just to dip your feet in the water. The most famous one is Multnomah Falls. It's also really popular, but always worth a visit if you're in the area. When we left the waterfalls, we decided to stop by and get a little drink. That way we could park the car close to the fireworks. After we dropped Devin and Christian off, sadly, Joey and I went to get lunch at this place called Hat Yai. It's one of our favorite restaurants in the Portland area. They have an entree that has fried chicken and curry all together. It is so good. Trust me, you have to try it. I got to test out my Brooks with my mom on a little neighborhood walk. The Portland Rose Garden was such a surprise. It's completely free and has all of these different species of roses. They all smell so delicious, and we were so pleasantly surprised. Since Mount Hood is only an hour from us, we decided it was finally time to go check it out. So we made our way to Timberline Lodge, where you can ride the ski lift year-round and either rent gear or bring your own so that you can go skiing and snowboarding on the slopes. This was so cool, and I had no idea that we could see snow in July. On today's adventure, we're taking the chairlift up Mount Hood. Who would have thought you can do this in July? I'm loving Oregon in the summer. After playing in the snow, it was a short ride down the mountain for lunch. We went to the Timberline Pass restaurant and got a rack of ribs and some veggies with the view of the mountain. After lunch, we decided to check out Trillium Lake, where you can take a dip or even rent paddleboards on site, which is awesome because we don't have gear yet. It's only $20 for rentals, and you can take in these beautiful views of Mount Hood while you're enjoying the lake. That's a wrap on our 4th of July holiday. I had a blast, and none of that was planned. It just kind of happened. So we got to see waterfalls, we got to go up a mountain, try different foods, see an epic fireworks show, and most of all, share it with really close friends and my mom. I love you all so much. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope to grow this channel and get much better at vlogging. So thanks for coming. Bye.